Hello and welcome you all in this video tutorial. Dear students, as we are discussing about chapter number 4 and in previous videos we have seen so many examples. Now in this video we are doing few more example of HTML tables. So as I already told you, to create HTML tables we need some tags. That tags we need to use inside our tables. Whatever table layout you are having, for this you have to use the table tag. Inside that you need to use tr and td tag. So one table I am having here. If you want to create a table on a browser, as I can show here, so to create this table, how to write HTML code, let us see. First let me open Notepad. Inside this, HTML head, title, example, title close, head close, body you can give easy color is equals to green. Next is table tag. This is the main tag. Inside this we are going to use tr and td. This is the table tag, and here we need to take border attribute is equals to 3. As I can told you, or in previous video also I told you, this border attribute we are using to give border to your table, and this value is considered in pixel. BZ color of table is equals to pink. Next is tr, here th. Now if you see this table, then here in the first row 5 columns are going to be merged. So for this we need to use row span and col span attribute of table tag. So how to use this we see in previous video also. Now here to use row span and col span, first of all this row span and col span is the attribute of th or td tag. How to use, let us see. Go to the code, th col span is equals to 5, th close, and inside that my classmate, this text you need to type. My classmates, th close, th, here tr, next again one tr, and in this you need to take th. First, inside first th you need to mention the serial number, name, birthday, email id and phone number. So inside first th you need to write serial number, th close, again th, name, th close, next th, birthday, th close, th, email id, th close, next th, here phone number, th close, at last tr close, next one more tr, now here td. Now next what you are going to mention, this one serial number 1 Anil 12 May anil@gmail. So likewise this you need to mention. So inside first td you need to mention here 1 td close, next again td anil td close, next is td date of birth 12th May 12th May, here you need to mention td close, next again td anil @gmail.com, td close, next td 22356, td close, this one is the phone number, next is tr close. So likewise next record also we need to insert. So how to insert? For second row we need to take again one more tr inside this td tag, next is 2 td tag close, next again one more td for another column. Here we need to write the name, this Sam, td close, next again one more td. In this we need to take 9 June, td close, next td abc@gmail.com, td close, td 235, likewise any random number, mobile number you can take, at last tr close. So this till here our record has been inserted. Now for last record again one more tr we need to take inside this td 3 td close, next td here Arun, td close, td 15th of October, td close, td next xyz@gmail.com, td close, at last again one more td, and here take any random number, td close, at last tr. So till here all the records are inserted. At last table close, next body close, at last html close. Now you can check the output. For this you need to save this file, example 6.html, go to desktop, open this folder, click to this folder, open example 6, open with Internet Explorer. Now just see, your output is like this. Now suppose if you want to change the color of first row, how to change? Go to Notepad, go to the first TR. Inside that first TR, whatever TH or TD you will take, right here BZ color is equals to green. Save it, go to the browser, F5, like this. Suppose you want to change the color of this particular cell. How to change? Go to the last TD here and write here BZ color is equals to green. F5, like this. So if you want to change the color of any particular cell by using BZ color attribute, you can change it. Next thing that I already explained, if you want to write any caption of your table, so inside caption you can write that particular caption. Caption is a tag, so you can use that caption tag inside table. Or if you want to change the height and width of that particular table, so for this, as you already know, we have height and width attribute, suppose 30%, and width is equals to also 30%. So it occupy 30% space of the screen. F5. Save these changes, go to the browser, press F5. Suppose here make it 40, this also make it 40, go here and change. Now see, the table size is going to be changed. So likewise, if you want, then you can set the height and width of your table also. Suppose if you want this particular table appear on full screen, to make it 100%. Now after making 100%, go and refresh it. Now you can see it occupy the full area of the screen. It means 100%. So likewise, you can set height and width of your particular table according to your need. Okay, next example, if you want to create a table like this, here if you observe, in the first row 3 columns are going to be merged, here 2 row merged, here again 3 columns are going to be merged. So if you want to create a table like this by using HTML, how you can create, let us see. Open Notepad, HTML, title, head, title, example, title close, head close, body, BZ color is equals to pink. Next is table, border is equals to 1. Next tr, call span is equals to 3. Why call span is equals to 3? Not in tr, this we need to use inside td. call span 3, and here 1 td. At last tr close. Now just see this table. In first one here, in first row 3 columns are going to be merged, so that's why here I use call span is equals to 3. And one thing more is here, bg color is equals to green. Next again tr inside this td, row span is equals to 2. Why row span 2? Why? Because if you observe here, then here in this particular row column 2 rows are going to be merged, so that's why row span is equals to 2. Inside this you need to write 2 td close. Next again td 3 td close td. Next 4. Next at last tr close. Now so our code is completed till here. Till 4 our code is completed. Next go to the code again, tr td 5 td close td 6 td close, at last tr close. And one more row we need to take, so tr inside this td, again call span is equals to 3, and at last we need to write 7 td close tr close, and next is table close body close html close. Save it. Example 7.html. Go to the folder, minimize it, go inside this folder, example 7, open with Internet Explorer. Now just see it appear like this. Go to the code. Now do one thing, set height width of the table. Height is equals to 30%, width is equals to 30%. That spelling is wrong. Go here and again refresh. See, your table is appearing like this. If you want to put this content in center, so for this what you need to do, to put the content in center, we have align is equals to center, and one more attribute of table tag is cell padding is equals to, suppose here I use 20. It will create few space from table boundary to the in between the character. So cell padding is equals to 20. Save the changes, go to the browser, try to refresh it. Now see, the table appear in the center and this content is shifted little bit here. So likewise, if you want to put this also in center, so another way we are having to directly use center tag. Go to here and refresh it like this. Hope you will understood both the examples.